in this video we have taken a circular sheet. Here we are pasting a black and yellow sheet, putting this white small sheet to make the face of the honeybee and making its antennae in this way. Now it's turn to make its wing, putting the white sheet in this way on its back, and it's ready. In the next we have taken a circular sheet. Now wrapping it up with light blue sheet, we have taken the green strip and folding in this way and pasting it over the light blue sheet in this way, as you can see. And after this done, now it's turn to make its face and leg. Any guesses what it is? It's a peacock. In the next we have taken a sheet, now putting the heart shaped sheet in this way and making the face. So firstly we have put the eyes and making its leg, making the wing, putting the wing on the back. A bird is ready. In the next we have taken a thermocol glass, putting the white sheet onto it and making the face so it look like a bear. Now it's turn to make its ear. Now we are going to use this cell, wrapping it up with elastic. Now cutting the each side of the thermocol glass in this way, putting this one glass into it, holding the elastic on the each cut in this way. Just twist the cell and you will get your bear is moving. In the next we have taken a circular green sheet, now cutting it into the half, making the cone, putting the eyes in this way, a big eye. Now it's turn to put its leg, making its mouth, putting the tongue. It's ready. In the next we have taken a yellow circular sheet, putting this black strip. So any guesses what it is? It's a honeybee in another way, having a light blue wing. In the next we have taken this white and light blue sheet in this way and making the face so it is basically a cartoon. Now it's turn to put the ear. We are using here a yellow sheet to paste it over. Let's proceed to the next. Here we have taken a one-sided sheet and making a cone in this way and pasting it up. Now making a cut on the top like this. Make a small cut in this way. Now putting this green leafy sheet into it so it will work like a ear, its eyes, its mustache. A moving rat is ready. In the next we have used a white sheet and putting this pink sheet over it, putting the eye, putting the ear. Now putting this circular black sheet on the downward side. So here a pig is ready, a cute pig. Let's proceed to the next, and here we are using the pinky small sheet. So just we are making a bear. Basically here we are using a circular shaped sheet, so making its hand, its leg. Now we have taken the lid, filled it with the clay with the help of finger in this way. Now putting this lid on the back of the bear and moving bear is ready. In the next we have taken a small black sheet, putting this white sheet over it, putting the eyes, ear. Now taking another sheet to make the body of the animal. Now making its back by making a cut in this way, putting the clip. So here our animal is ready. Now we are doing what? Putting this sheet, a flowery sheet, on its back, and it's ready. Any guesses what it is? It's a donkey. Here we have taken a one-sided sheet and making a fold in this way. So just fold it like this, as you can see in the video. Flipping the each sheet in this way so it will look like this. Putting the white portion of the sheet in this way. Now putting another one sheet in this way. Putting the white portion sheet in this way. Doing the same with the green. Now flipping it up and folding in this way, as you can see in the video. And after this done, putting the eyes and putting the string on its back and apply a sellotape on the each portion so it will secure the ribbon. You can use it as a toy, so it is very interesting toy that can climb with the help of this thread. Isn't it look interesting? So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.